Welcome to Mid Elixir. Knowledge and thoughts are to be shared. Quick revision series Anatomy for AIA PGT, PSC, UPSC, and other homeopathy competitive exams. Root value of radial nerve is C5, C6, C7, C8, T1. That is C5 to C8 and T1. Radial nerve is the largest branch of brachial plexus and it's a branch of posterior cord of brachial plexus. The other branches of posterior cord of brachial plexus include upper subscapula, lower subscapula, thoracodorsal and axillary nerve. So the mnemonic to remember the branches of posterior cord of brachial plexus is star. S for subscapula, we have upper subscapular and lower subscapular. T for thoracodorsal nerve, A for axillary nerve, and R for radial nerve. Initiation of abduction of shoulder joint is by supraspinatus. That is up to 15-degree abduction is by supraspinatus. From 15-degree to 90-degree abduction is by deltoid. And above 90-degree, that is overhead abduction is by serratus anterior and also by trapezius muscle. So I repeat, up to 15-degree abduction is by supraspinatus, 15 to 90-degree abduction by deltoid muscle, and overhead abduction by serratus anterior. Anterior belly of digastric muscle is supplied by mandibular, mandibular nerve. Mandibular nerve is a branch of trigeminal nerve. Posterior belly of digastric is supplied by facial nerve. Non-articular sesamoid bone is fibula. Sesamoid bones develop from the tendons. There are two types of sesamoid bones, articular and non-articular. Articular sesamoid bone includes patella and pisiform. Non-articular sesamoid bone is fibula. Fibula is developed from under the tendon of lateral head of gastrocnemius. Dash is membranous fascia of superficial layer of perineum. Colles fascia. I repeat, Colles fascia is membranous fascia of superficial layer of perineum. Dash is tympanic branch of glossopharyngeal nerve. Jacobson's nerve. I repeat, Jacobson's nerve is tympanic branch of glossopharyngeal nerve. Dash is auricular branch of vagus nerve. Alderman's nerve. It's also known as Arnold's nerve. So, Alderman's nerve is an auricular branch of vagus nerve. Largest nutrient artery in the body. Nutrient artery to tibia. Muscle inserted to radial tuberosity is biceps brachii. Muscle inserted to ulnar tuberosity is brachialis. Nerve supply of triceps brachii is radial nerve. Dash is degenerated tendon of adductor magnus. Tibial collateral ligament. So, tibial collateral ligament is a degenerated tendon of adductor magnus. Fibula collateral ligament is a degenerated tendon of peroneus longus. Fibula collateral ligament is a degenerated tendon of peroneus longus. Foramen lacerum transmits internal carotid artery. Subdural space ends at the level of S2. Taste sensation from anterior two-thirds of tongue is carried by chorda tympani branch of facial nerve. Gluteus maximus is supplied by inferior gluteal nerve, and gluteus medius and minimus is supplied by superior gluteal nerve. Gluteus maximus is supplied by inferior gluteal nerve. Ducts of Bellini are found in kidney. Blood supply of facial nerve is maxillary artery. Safety muscle of larynx is posterior cricoarytenoid. Eversion of food is mainly produced by peroneus longus and also by peroneus brevis. TB and syphilis begins in which part of the bone? Middle of diaphysis. Palatoglossus is supplied by vagus nerve. Other muscles of tongue is supplied by hypoglossal nerve. Ossification center, which appears just before birth, is lower end of femur. First carpal bone to get ossified is capitate. Capitate is the largest carpal bone. The most common carpal bone to get fractured is scaphoid. It's boat-shaped carpal bone. And the most common carpal bone to get dislocated is lunate. And the smallest carpal bone is pisiform. And the last carpal bone to get ossified is pisiform. So the first carpal bone to get ossified is capitate. And the last carpal bone to get ossified is pisiform. Appendicular artery is a branch of ileocholic artery. Inferior epigastric artery is a branch of external iliac artery. Most common position of appendix is retrocecal. Largest vein is inferior vena cava and the second largest vein is superior vena cava. Longest vein is great saphenous vein or long saphenous vein. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.